Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store but felt lost about how to begin? Well, great news! Shopify is here to make it super easy and fun to create and run your online business. Your online store with Shopify is as easy as clicking a button. You can pick from lots of cool themes to match your style and change them without needing to know any coding. Whether you want a simple look or something colorful, Shopify's easy-to-use theme editor lets you tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to fit your brand perfectly. Plus, with Shopify, you can organize your products, set up how you get paid, and make checkout a breeze for your customers. This means less hassle for you and a better shopping experience for them. Want to sell on social media or other places online? Shopify makes it simple to reach customers everywhere. You can expand where you sell beyond just your website. If you also have a store in real life, Shopify connects online sales with your in-store system, making everything work smoothly together, so you can handle it all from one place. Shopify also gives you great tools to promote your products. From emails to social media ads, you have everything you need to catch your customers' attention and boost sales. Need help or advice? Shopify has got tons of resources to manage your customers and solve any problems. Whether you are fixing an issue or looking to connect better with your audience, help is right there for you. Keeping your online store secure is super important. Shopify makes sure that every transaction is safe, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about security. Most importantly, Shopify lets you take your local business global. This means people from all over the world can find and buy your products quickly and easily. Imagine all the new opportunities as you reach more people and grow your brand beyond your local area. So, what are you waiting for? Jump into the exciting world of e-commerce with Shopify today and watch your business grow.